Hello everyone, happy weekend. I hope you're good and I hope you enjoyed the week. So it's another Sunday, another video, and same introduction, same startup website on news events. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Whoa, there was a lot of news events on Friday of the previous week. There was a bank holiday on Monday. Tuesday there was pound news, USD news. So pretty much Friday was no trading day for me. So I was looking for setup from Tuesday to Thursday. So my window for trading was Tuesday to Thursday. So Tuesday, President Trump was speaking. He was even speaking as well on Wednesday. So the whole Trump speak and all that, let's see how the news events affect price for the previous week. Now, before we jump into the charts, let's see what kind of news events do we have for the new week. So there's nothing much. So Monday there's nothing. Tuesday there's a USD news on Tuesday around 3 p.m. Wednesday there's nothing. Thursday 1:30 USD. So it's not really a bizarre week like this one. So this week should be more clean in price action and delivery as well. So let's hop into the charts and let's see what dollar did. Now if you look at the chart now, and this is the daily time frame, by the way. This is the daily time frame, and this chart is the dollar chart. So here's the name, dollar, US dollar index. So the previous week for dollar has been bearish. You remember this fair value gap I was outlining on the previous week video, last week Sunday's video. This fair value gap, you see the way price traded into it, then boom, had this massive candle away from it. Then Friday retraces up. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this is Thursday, expanding lower, taking out the previous week's low. Previous week low, yeah. So Friday takes out the previous week's low. Let me highlight this more bold. So Thursday takes out the previous week's low. Let me put this back so y'all can see this. You see how Wednesday traded into the fair value gap from the daily time frame, then Thursday immediately expanded away from it. So the dollar was bearish on Thursday, really bearish on Thursday. So if the dollar was bearish on Thursday, EU, GU, gold, Bitcoin as well should at least get a momentum in buys. So dollar was bearish on Thursday, so I would expect gold, GU, GPB, GBUSD, oh man, GPBUSD, and Euro USD. So if the dollar is bearish on Thursday, I would expect gold, GPPUSD, Euro USD, and even Bitcoin as well should see at least buys on Thursday. Yeah. So the price action for this previous week wasn't really that bad. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we traced into the fair value gap. Then I was expecting an expansion on Thursday and Friday as well, but as you can see, price has already taken out the previous month low for January. Previous month low has already been taken out, so price was aggressively taking out the previous week low from Thursday's price action, right? Then Friday we traced into the range already. So now going into the new week, as you see here again, there's a fair value gap right here. This candle's low and this candle's high. Yeah, this is what I mean. So going into the new week, there's a fair value gap that was left from Wednesday's candle and Friday's candle. Wednesday's low and Friday's high. So there's a fair value gap right there. So with Monday and Tuesday, so I want to see if Monday or Tuesday would, like, you see what Wednesday did here, right? Wednesday came into the fair value gap and Thursday we trace from it. So I want to see Monday going into the fair value gap and Tuesday expanding away from it, then Wednesday continuing the expansion and taking out all these lows. So this low will now be the previous week low. So the previous week low now will now be my next target for dollar for the upcoming week. Yeah, so that is what I'll be expecting dollar to do in the upcoming week. So Thursday takes out the previous week low, then Friday retraces and gives us a fair value gap to work with in the new week, in the upcoming week. So I'll take this off for now. So let's head down to the 4-hour time frame and more candles, and let's see what dollar really did. So this is the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. Each candles in this time frame represents 4 hours of trading. So as you all can see, this is the third week. This is the third week of February. Yeah, so entering the 4th week of February, the last week of February. So this is the third week, and you can see the way the week opened. This is Sunday candle. This is Monday's price action. This is Tuesday, and this is Wednesday. You can see the way Wednesday takes out Tuesday's high. You can see takes out Tuesday's high right then. We look at the bodies of the candle. You can see that no one is even, the price could not get to the midpoint of the fair value gap in the daily time frame. Yeah. So when you are bearish, you want to see this. You want to see price not getting even to the upper half of the fair value gap. You want to see price use the lower half of the fair value gap to find resistance and trade lower. And you can see dollar find resistance from there and expanded lower, taking out the previous week's low, and Friday we trace into the range. And you can see why Friday we trace into the range as a fair value gap from the 4-hour time frame. So price was going to fill this fair value gap that I left behind. So you see the way dollar aggressively takes out the previous week's low, then Friday retraced into the 4-hour fair value gap. Yeah. So the 1-hour time frame, this is the 1-hour time frame, more or less the same thing, right? So this is the 1-hour time frame. You can see in the 1-hour time frame, inside the daily fair value gap, there is a 1-hour fair value gap as well. This candle's low and this candle's high. That's the 1-hour fair value gap that price came into on Wednesday, then found resistance and trade lower. So Wednesday set the tone for market to start trading lower. So Wednesday was posting the high of the week, then Thursday gave us the low of the week, then Friday just retraced into Thursday's range. Yeah. So you can see the way price was using this previous month's low price as both resistance and support. When price came into it, look at what price did on Wednesday. Found support from the January low, sorry, the low of the previous month, the price of it. You can see the bodies of this candle. You can see how price found support and traded higher, took out Tuesday's high and found resistance inside the hourly, inside the hourly fair value gap, inside the daily fair value gap. So yeah, so this was what dollar did from the opening of the week. From Monday to Wednesday, price dollar was bullish. Then from Wednesday to Thursday and Friday into the midday on Friday, dollar was bearish. So if you were looking for sales on Euro USD or GU from Monday to Wednesday, would have been a bad trade idea. But if you're looking for sales on Euro on Euro USD and GBP USD from Wednesday to Thursday, so that would have been a great idea. So you see, this is how I use the dollar to frame my trades on both Euro USD, gold. So I want to see the dollar giving me an hint of where it's wanting to go, where it's wanting to gravitate to. So from here, price was reaching out to these lows, previous week's low, and you can see the way price from here. Yeah. What's the time now? What's the time? I think I'm touching time. 11 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Still got time. So that's about that on the dollar. Let me touch on Bitcoin and let's see what Bitcoin did for the week. Beautiful delivery on price, though. Beautiful delivery on price. This is gold. Gold wasn't much. Gold wasn't well, there were lots of moves on gold. This is Monday, so gold's target was the previous week high. You can see how price ran out the previous week high, but look at the bodies of the candle. None was closing above the previous week high of last week. So this is Monday, Tuesday, this is Wednesday, hits the previous week high. Thursday hits the previous week high again, takes out Wednesday's high as well. Then look at Friday. Friday tried to go up, but could not, and traded lower. If you look at this candle's high and this candle's low, there's a fair value gap right there. So Friday was being drawn into this fair value gap on the daily time frame. Yeah. So that was why Friday was kind of like bearish on gold. Gold was seeking this fair value gap, and you can see the way he hits the fair value gap, and look at the way Friday closes. Yeah. So what I'll be expecting for the new week, since price is finally difficult to close above the previous week high, I think gold might come down into the fair value gap once more to gain momentum to push higher, since the dollar is bearish. Yeah. So I would want to see gold, find a foothold inside this fair value gap. Let me annotate this fair value gap. So I would like to see gold and come into this fair value gap, then find support and go higher, because gold is bullish. Gold is bullish since the start of February, since the start of the second month of the year. Gold has been bullish, as well as the first month of the year, January. Gold has been bullish as well. So in the long run, if you're looking for sales on gold, that should be a minimum, because overall the market is bullish. You want to look for buys. So I'm only inclined on buys on gold, since the overall market is bullish. Green candles stand up more than the black candles, right? Yeah. So let's head down to the 4-hour time frame and see what gold did. So this is gold. This is gold, yeah. you can see how both the 4-hour is having its own fair value gap from the daily time frame, right? You can see how the 4-hour midpoint of the fair value gap is converging with the daily time frame, the high of the fair value gap from the daily time frame, right? So there are two levels here that price will want to come and bounce off of them. You can see when price came in on Wednesday, bounce off again, still running this high. So you can see how price was just consolidating around the previous week high after running it, after we had a push through from it on Wednesday. Wednesday came down, went up, came down, consolidated, and you just see price was just muddy. So the clear price action on gold was from Monday to Wednesday. So Thursday retracing, and look how Friday did. Yeah. Let me take this off one. So yeah, this is on gold. This is Monday. You can see the way price found support inside this fair value gap, right? Right. You can see what Monday did. This is Tuesday. Tuesday continued the spree from Monday's price action. The buys from Monday price action. You can see Tuesday continued. Wednesday traded into the previous week high, came down, touched the fair value gap from the daily time frame, went up again, came down again, went up, came down again on Friday, takes out Wednesday's low, then we price higher again, then close. So not on gold, not really that clear of a price action from Wednesday to Friday, but you can see how the price action was a bit clean from Monday to Wednesday. From Monday to Wednesday. So Wednesday to Thursday was poor. So that's about that on gold. For the new week, I'll be expecting gold to use this fair value gap again. Either we'll find support from it or we'll find resistance from it. So that's about down to gold. So this will be my previous week low, and this will be my previous week high. So I'll be looking at this high and this low are my main points on gold for next week. So I want to see if price will be price will be reaching for this high or this low. We'll see. So that's on gold. Now this is GU. Yeah, remember when I said dollar was bearish on Thursday? You can see how GU was bullish on what? Thursday. This fair value gap was what price used to find support and go up. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, and this is Friday. Price could not even get into this fair value gap on the daily time frame that I drawn out. This one right here. So I'm really watching this high, December highs. Yeah, no, not really. This is December highs. I'm just watching this high. These are December highs from last year. So this is the overall chart. This is GU, GBP USD. This is the daily time frame. You can see how price takes out January highs. Then from there we found support inside this daily fair value gap. Then we price higher again. We towards this price action. You can see it was aggressive, right? So if the dollar was bearish on Thursday, GU was bullish on Thursday, EU was bullish on Thursday as well. The dollar was bullish from Monday from Monday to to Wednesday. Yeah, let's head down to the 4-hour time frame and see what price did. So this is week 3. You can see how the price action from Monday to Wednesday was kind of muddy. Then the clean expansion for the week came in on Wednesday. After Wednesday had posted the low of the week. Yeah, after Wednesday posted the low of the week, then Thursday expanded higher. So Thursday was a clean price action day for GU. Why? Because dollar was distributing lower, so GU, I'll be expecting GU to distribute higher. Then you can see what Friday did. Dollar was retracing up on Friday, then GU was coming down on Friday. So what am I expecting for the new week on GU? Well, nothing much. As you can see, price is a bit close, like there's no fair value gap, no PDRAs or anything, but there's a fair value gap down here and then this one right here. So maybe price will want to go up here, then use this as a foothold to go higher and take out this little high here, this minor high right here. Then maybe we'll reach for December highs. So since I'm bearish on dollar, then I'm bullish on GU, gold, Bitcoin, and EU. So this man, this is Bitcoin. After a long ass consolidation, you see Bitcoin finally taking our previous week low with what? Tuesday's price action. Then Bitcoin turned again and takes our previous week high, and Friday, boom, retraced lower. You can see why Friday retraced lower. Why? Because the dollar was retracing up, right? Was retracing up with the Friday movement. Let's see on dollar. Yeah, you can see this is Friday on dollar. Look at what this Friday did on Bitcoin. You can see what Bitcoin did on Friday. Bitcoin was crazy. It went lower. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday. Dollar was being bearish on Thursday, and you can see Bitcoin was bullish on Thursday. What was he aiming for? Previous week high. Yeah. So the move on Bitcoin was Wednesday and Thursday, aiming at what? Previous week high, and Friday which was lower. So for the new week, still don't know where Bitcoin will go for the new week. Still don't know, because we have seen this displacement. This candle is obviously bigger than this one as well. So Bitcoin might, go down and take out all these lows, but I'm still seeing the January low still here. There's still this low, and there's still this one. So Bitcoin might take out this low, then reverse up, or take out the low and keep on dropping. So whatever Bitcoin will do for the new week, from Monday to Tuesday, price should give us some hints and insights of where it wants to expand to, or consolidate, or whatever. You can see how large these candles are, right? This is a Friday price action. After taking out the previous week high, you can see what Bitcoin did. Came down and took out this low, this little low from the 4-hour time frame. You can see how price was using this fair value gap. This fair value gap. After taking out previous week low, look how price did. Use this fair value gap as support right here to take out previous week high. Yeah. Right here. So there was a trade opportunity right in here, and there was another one right here. When price came down again, uses it as what? As a resistance. Look at the candles. Look at this candle. Look at the high. But look at this one. Look at the low. the midpoint of it was playing a support role here, then the midpoint of it was playing a resistance role here. So that's about that on Bitcoin. This is the hourly time frame. This is Monday. You can see the way Monday takes out Monday was a bit consolidative. Nothing was being done on Monday. Then Tuesday takes out the previous week low. So you can see right there, price reversed and started to reprice higher and takes out the previous week high. So what I watch mostly in price for an upcoming week, or as you can see, price takes out Wednesday's low. Let me delete this. So Wednesday's low was being taken. So as you can see, the whole reaction from Bitcoin taking out the previous week low resulted to this retracement into the range. Yeah, taking out Wednesday's low, taking out Thursday's low in just one day in a day. So previous day's highs and lows, previous week's highs and lows. So those are my basic targets when I'm trading. Either I'm trading to the previous week high, or I'm trading to the previous day's low, or I'm trading to the previous week low. So whatever case may be, those are my targets when I'm trading. So what am I expecting for the new week on Bitcoin? Nothing much at all. So since dollar is bearish and Bitcoin is not even giving me any signs of being bullish, so I might sit on the sidelines and watch Bitcoin and see what it's going to do for the new week. So these are my new previous week highs and lows I'll be watching. Then again, Bitcoin has taken out this low. You can see how Bitcoin is taking out lows, will reprice up, take out this low, reprice up, take out this low, it's repricing up. So in a consolidative on a ranging market, this is what price will be doing, take out lows and highs. But in a bullish scenario, in a bullish market, you want to see price taking out highs, only highs. You can see how it's taking out this high, taking out that high. So tell us again, should I touch on again? This is gold. So that's about that. So that's a wrap. Anyways, thank you for your time. If you're able to stay to the end of the video, thank you. God bless you. So I'll catch you all same time, same venue. Many minutes 28. Okay. All right, have a great week and happy trading.